Hey guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and install an Aero package on the Dodge Charger wide body. The part number is vz102284. We're gonna go ahead and start with the diffuser. We do have the installation video on our YouTube channel, which would be the part number vz102189. But we're gonna go ahead and give you an overview on the wide body diffuser install. So we're gonna go ahead and start with taking off these OEM bolts. There goes the rocks. Can somebody tell me on the comments, why does Chargers get so many rocks? I've been questioning that for a while. Now, I'm gonna take off these nuts. So once you remove those, you could go ahead and take this off. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and make the holes for where we're gonna attach the plate to the rear diffuser. So now we're gonna place a bolt and nut here. Oh wait, it doesn't move out of place. Now we're gonna go ahead and process two other holes for the bolts and nuts to go in. We're gonna do another one in the middle. Alright guys, so we are putting together the side splitters for the Aero package. We do have this for the narrow body and the wide body. These are the wide body side splitters, which would be the vz102097, which would be part of the vz102284 Charger Aero package. These are the little volcano winglets and gloss carbon vinyl. Pinpointing the holes where I'm gonna attach my volcano winglets. Same thing to the other side. So now we're just bolting the side splitters onto the car.
see, this is how the side splitter will turn out. So as you can see, the same process we did on this one, you're gonna wanna do it onto the other side splitter. It usually takes about 7 self-tapping screws, but if you wanna put more for reinforcements, that's up to you.
So now we're gonna go ahead and install the wicker bill vz102284. It also comes in your Aero package. So here we go. Now we're just bolting in the wicker bill. This front splitter is part of the Aero package vz102284. Front splitter meant for the wide body is vz102099. We also do have vz102098, and then we also have the lip for the wide body bumper, which is vz102230. All links will be below. And then we also have the 2230 installation video on our YouTube channel. So make sure you guys go and subscribe, leave comments. As always, you have to put your L brackets, bolts, and nuts on your winglets. Remember, there is a full video of how to install it on the YouTube channel. Same thing you do on this winglet, you want to do on the other. So the overall look of the front splitter will look like this once you put your winglets on. These are your volcano winglets. We have other styles. If you don't want to install the winglets, you don't have to. Alright, so you want to go ahead and place the bumper on top of your splitter and line it up. Remember, you could bring out the splitter if you want. We're going to start pinpointing where we're going to do our bolts and nuts. So we went ahead and made holes for where the bolts go onto the splash guard of the car. We're going to start pinpointing where we're going to do our bolts and nuts. Should be hard. Over here. Alright, so as you can see, the bolts and nuts are in place. It is a way better securance. Of course, for this bad boy right here. Supercharged 6.2L. We went ahead and took off the support so we could get access to this part. And then we drilled in 2 holes to put the bolt and the nut on there. And now you can see the bottom nuts. And then we got some thread lock and we put it on there as well. So we're gonna go ahead and drill the hole. Alright, so what are we doing?
We are tightening up the bolts from the bottom. Yes, this is not the right way, but we sort of lost it.
You gotta make sure it's nice and tight. So right now we're gonna go ahead and break these tabs to remove this guard that's underneath so that the front splitter could just go ahead and sit in flush. Same thing you did on the other side, you want to do on this side. Front splitter has been successfully installed. vz102284, part of the Aero package. vz102284. The Aero package is not only for wide bodies but for narrow bodies, and also the RTs, SXTs, or any type of charger you really have. All you gotta do is select the type of charger you have, and we'll make sure your whole Aero package is complete. Make sure to like and subscribe, leave comments below, follow our Facebook groups. Also check out the cool orange steering wheel this car has. So this is our custom made type of steering wheels. This one is made with orange carbon fiber, orange stitching, orange carbon fiber inlay, and then the full LED display.